We haven't been filming a lot in here or any because it's like 15 degrees outside. Akila is going to paint the entire floor with a 1-inch brush. So no, we're just using barn paint for the floor, and that's just to seal it for the stall mat that's coming in. So the stall mat has rubber feet on it, so it keeps it elevated. But just in case something were to get underneath it, it'll evaporate because of the feet, but we don't want it soaking into the wood. So she's just gonna seal it up with barn paint, which is pretty inexpensive and it's actually quite tough. So she's just going around the edges now, and then she's gonna pour it on the floor and roll it out. And we will have a floor, and then we can put our rubber in tomorrow. And our chickens come Sunday, and they're 1-year-olds.
Yeah, I adopted some hens.
Yeah, we got 1-year-old hens, so we got a lot of work to do before Monday. So hopefully this dries, but we're relying on a propane heater, which is not ideal because it is humid and that's water-based paint. So, but it is what it is because it's literally, I don't know if we've hit 15 yet today, but it's pretty cold out. All right, here it is. Smells like a tire store in here. So we need to silicone it, but I'm afraid it's too cold. I can heat it up in here, but our chickens come in 2 days, and I don't want to leave silicone wet. World's first self-locking door kit. It's a big claim.
Well, there you have it, guys. I don't know how many weeks we've been working on this off and on, but fully insulated, 3-bar roost, 4 nesting boxes, 6 inches of bark, heated waterer. This food thingy holds like 50 pounds of food. We've got GMO organic feed in there because of course I do. This chicken guard door, which is really cool. It's programmed, so it's open 12 hours a day-ish right now, but we can change that based on the weather. The lights are also on a timer, and chickens come tomorrow.
Hey guys.